Mysterious natural phenomena. Discover the world's most mysterious natural phenomena. Magic? No. These are marvels of nature that leave even scientists in awe. Meet the Aurora Borealis, a heavenly light show. This spectacle is nature's own disco, painting the sky with surreal colors. Venture into the depths with the Bermuda Triangle. Ships, planes vanish without a trace. What's responsible? The jury's still out. Be bedazzled by the sailing stones of Death Valley. Rocks move on their own, leaving trails behind. A geological puzzle wrapped in enigma. Finally, witness the Taos hum. An untraceable, low-frequency sound heard by few. An auditory mystery that remains unsolved. Join us as we unravel these fascinating phenomena. Become a part of the journey. Dive into the mysteries of nature.